Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 26th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Three of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Five of Swords. So you have all three swords, which is air signs. Now, person B here, your partner has the Fool card, the Tower card, and the Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have 10 of Cups, which means that there is an emotional connection between the two of you. You both feel things for each other, so that feeling of love and affection is there. Now from the first set of cards that I see for you, you have Three of Swords, which means a third party energy. There could be some heartbreak, a lot of sorrow, a lot of, crying over this relationship. Now the second card for you is Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is the energy where, you feel stressed out, you feel burnt, you feel as if, there's something which is causing you a lot of stress and guilt. Now for some of you, if this is what you are doing to somebody, that's what is causing you stress and anxiety. Now the third card for you is Five of Swords. Five of Swords is the card where it shows a lot of stress, anxiety, which could be because of people around you that's causing that confusion and a lot of misunderstandings between you and your partner. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is the Fool card. With the Fool energy, it means that this person wants to take a big leap of faith and do something that maybe they have not even discussed with you. The second card here is the Tower card, which means that they will take a big leap of faith and do something in where they will not go ahead and discuss with you, but that will cause a big shake-up. With this Tower energy, it is going to cause a big shake-up because the relationship that both of you are in, the foundation of that relationship is not very stable. Now the third card here is Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups is the energy where this person has emotions for you, but they're not willing to put in the work because they are right now very lazy and they don't want to put in any work and take any action. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see is the Sun card, the Five of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. Now with the Sun card, that's Leo energy. That's a very positive sign, because with the Sun energy, it means positivity, it means new beginning. When the sun comes out, it's the start of the day and you plan what you want to do in that particular day. The same way, it's a positive new beginning. Now the second card here is Five of Wands, which means people fighting. There could be some kind of fighting, competition around you or your person. And the third card being Eight of Pentacles, which means you have to put in a lot of hard work to get this relationship sorted. Now let's quickly also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for all of you is a win-win outcome is forecast. Now that's a positive message for you, which means that even if things are going bad right now, eventually a win-win outcome is forecast. Now with this, let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can also help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Tree Agate. The crystal message is, are you a tree hugger or activist? Take the time to sit beneath a tree and connect with the qualities of its firmly planted roots, its ability to flex and bend in a storm, and its amazing power of growth. Remember your roots, and yet always remember how much you can grow to reach great heights. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Thuriel, which I'll put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.